Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash, and today I have a dramatic Jamaican Independence Day celebration look, and it's just giving all the vibes. I had to come up with all the colors. I had to be in my Jamaican dress with the Jamaican logo and everything cause we are yardy and we're proud. We've been coming a long way. Out of many, we are still one people. And big up on yourself, all the yardy them out there, and all the people that inspired and aspired to do the things Jamaicans do, because we're in our lane to ourselves. But big up on yourself, enjoy the vibes, and sit back, relax, and enjoy the festivities of this glamorous video. So, first things first, I wash my hair. You can't style hair to perfection on dirty scalp. So, that's what I did first. Went in, detangled a little bit. My 4B, 4C girls, we understand the process and the blood, sweat, and tears. So, I went on to use my blow dryer to get a more sleeker hair to lay down, because it lays down a lot better, with a little more heat applied to it than just in its natural state. It's a struggle, y'all, and I have so much hair, so it took a long time. So that's the gel that I used. I must say I sped up this section because I believe everybody knows how to apply gel to their hair in sections, and that's what I did all the way to the top. I just brushed through with the brush so that it's evenly coated, and that's as simple as it gets. No brain science or rocket science to this. So I later went into styling. So I wanted to go for a side part. However, I went outside the box and did me a center part. I mean, I have done a video on this channel with my natural hair in a center part, but this time, like, I put like diligent time and effort into this because I just wanted to, snatch that face and go for a more sleeker, more, businesswoman, empress, girl, and just show my beauty. So that's the hair I use. I can link the information down below. I got it from Amazon, and it's kinky to blend with my ear texture because I don't know how like tastes pink. I understand petite too because she's mixed with like Indian, like it's really rich in her bloodline. So it skipped me because my dad's mom is Indian. you know, I'm in my feelings right now because the blood, sweat, and tears, like the amount of times I had to pass over with that brush. My 4B, 4C girls, you know the deal. You know what I'm talking about. Drop down in the comment section a heart. Like, give me some love. So I went in with my scrunchie or hair tie, whatever you want to call it. This is a video about my Jamaican glam, so you're going to hear the patois in it because it's a part of me. So I'm going to be speaking standard English, so don't worry, you understand me. However, that's how it looks, all sleek to the back. Look at my waves coming through you know so I'm going to then go in and apply my ponytail. I was looking at it from different angles because I am one person that I believe you say when you step out your house, you go out with confidence. So whether it's a job interview, whether it's just a random regular day, you don't know who you might meet. You don't know what opportunities that that day will enhance in your life. So you go out there and you go out there with your best face, your best foot forward. And that's a Jamaican thing too. Like, you don't leave your house pop down, you don't leave your house mash up and what you call it, misheveled. Yeah, drop it down in the comment section what I meant. But it only like the Jamaican slang, I mean. But the whole point of this rant is just like when you're going out, look presentable. Be the best version of yourself. I understand you have busy days, you have children, you have lives. Like working a 9 to 5 is hard. Trying to do your own business, trying to keep up with society's norm is very hard, especially being black women, especially you know trying to achieve all your goals and dreams. And sometimes on your way up you have to suppress like your original ideas and views. But don't worry, baby, don't worry. One day, see, God never gives us nothing we can bear, and he doesn't make mistakes. So one thing I must say is that just keep it between you and God. So I went in and I just twist my ponytail around and made a bun. And I was going for a Rasta girl vibes. Like, I didn't want that sleek, sensual look. I wanted like this rugged, rough, yet still sexy, like Afro Rasta girl. And it came out so perfectly. I must say, I had to put in got to be spraying my hair because I sweat like nobody's business. Like when I tell you I have hyperhidrosis and I sweat so much, I've considered doing Botox like in my face and stuff, but I don't want to alter like the way my face looks. And I think about the long-term consequences. No matter how much I shower or whatever I do, it's still there. And I saw Lyric Travels also mention it in one of her videos, and I had to like make a comment like, yes, because we need to make this more of a norm. Because even when I see like Petite Sue and all of them like in Jamaica, and like they're doing like fun stuff wearing makeup and just outside talking, I'm like, I would have passed out already, because the heat and my body doesn't work together. Like with this hyperhidrosis, the cooler the temperature is, better it is. And I still sweat profusely, like my armpits, my thighs. And I'm a thick girl. Like I got thick thighs and I'm proud of them. I love them. But we're not gonna do that Debbie Downer stuff. We're gonna love on ourselves and we're gonna keep it pushing. So I'm doing my edges, and I also use Got to Be spray on them too. It held up for, I would say, like 5 days, which is good, which is very good. I shocked myself because I thought like from the second or third day I would have to take down my hair, but it lasted a pretty long time. And I had to respray the Got to Be spray over my edges and stuff, because that's where I would smoke, perspirate the most. However, I did my thing and I'm so proud. And that's how my bun be looking. Like I look like a true Rasta girl. And I just love like the circular motion. Those Rasta that has very long dreads and it's not uniform. Like how just how rich that culture has become, because so many textures of faux locks and colors and designers being promoted all across the board. Like I see so many different ethnicities wearing it, and I'm like, okay. So now for the makeup section, I went in to my palette and I got me that shade and I mixed it with that other shade, put it in my crease as my transition, went and did a cut crease. And I'm gonna go back into my Take Me to Brazil palette and apply that to my inner tear duct and like to the center, like midline of my cut crease. And at the end of my cut crease, I'm going to blend a lighter shade of green. This is the real authentic color of the Jamaican. This is basically the Jamaican flag colors, okay? So that's how it looks close up. I had to blend them out. And look at my eyebrows popping. Ooh, can't stop it. Telling you, I was a rapper in a different life. So I went off camera, did my glitter over my eye arch, and then I did my liner as well as mascara, because those take a lot of focus for me. And as you can see, my glitter got messed up because it's liquid, so by the time I blink 2 times, like it starts moving around. However, I'm gonna wear it with confidence, like just make it seem like it's all over my lid at this point. However, I then went in for my face makeup, and you guys have seen several videos of me doing my face makeup, so you got it down to a T at this point. And if you haven't seen it, you're a first time viewer, welcome, me Yadi. We're all about love, support, unity, you know, travels, all of them stuff there. So just, you know, go back and watch. So now I'm gonna go into my Citrine palette and I'm gonna use the shade called Citrine, which is a golden shimmery shade that is perfect for a popping highlight. And we definitely need that to bring this face together because we want to be up there with the sun. So let me give you a little facts and details on my country. So our flag is the black, green, and gold. I have it popped up on the screen. You know, black depicts the strength and creativity of the people, gold, the natural wealth and beauty of the sunshine, and green, hope and agricultural resources. And that is just a few of things that just makes our country a better place. So I did went in and go for a dramatic lip with the Jamaican flag on it. I just used, you know, white shadow as the base, and I did went over with a clear lip, you know, gloss. That's why it looks like that, but this look was fire. And it's perfect for Carnival too, like it's giving Carnival babe. So let me give you a little bit more facts. So the colors on our flag in Jamaica makes it one of just two countries in the world not to share a color with the United States flag. And we got our independence in 1962, so we're 60 years old this year. Woohoo! 1/3 of all Jamaicans live in the capital of Kingston. That's why you hear a lot of Jamaicans say, I'm from Kingston. It is the third largest island in the Caribbean. So we're one of the top ones. We're in the Greater Antilles. Ian Fleming wrote all his James Bond thrillers in Jamaica. Oh, this island cultivates one of the world's rarest and expensive coffees, the Blue Mountain coffee. So that's just a few of the things that Jamaica offers.